Good day, everyone. So for today, let's talk about angle, sum, and difference identities. So these are the formula and finding the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So in finding the sine, sine is a quantity of a plus minus b is equal to sine a cosine b, positive, negative, cosine a cosine b. So, para madali nyong ma-understand ang ating formula, pag sine ang gamit, kung ang given is positive, then kung mag-solve ka na, positive din ang gamit mo. Kung negative ang given, so negative din ang gamitin mo. Sa cosine, pag positive ang given, so ang gagamitin mo na sign is negative. Kung negative naman yung given, so positive ang ating gagamitin. So, simple lang yan para kung matutunan mo, just analyze and understand the formula. So, these are example on finding angle, sum, and difference identities. So, example number 1. Suppose that sine alpha is equal to 3/5 and cosine beta is equal to 5/13, where 0 is greater than alpha and greater than beta and greater than pi/2. Find each of these. So let's find the cosine, the quantity of alpha minus beta, and the sine, the quantity of alpha plus beta. So first, let's find what is the unsay mga sulod aning cosine alpha minus beta. So first, pangitaan nato ang sine beta ani o pangitaan po nato ang sine alpha ani. So, ang cosine nato, right triangle. Then, mata na to ang alpha. Let's level. So, ang sine alpha nato is equal to 3/5. So, ang sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, nadali itong opposite 3 and 5 sa hypotenuse. So, atong pangitaan is ang adjacent. So, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Then, let's find the c, which is 5 squared is equal to RA, which is missing. So, let's put a squared plus b squared na to is 3 squared. Then, let's find the value of a squared. So, by using additive inverse, we will get 5 squared minus 3 squared. So, let's simplify. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. A squared is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. Then squared both sides. So our A is equal to 4. So our missing side is 4. So next, let's find the beta. So again, we'll draw a right triangle. So this is our beta. So cosine beta, it is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So 5, 13. So the missing side is ang opposite. So let's find the opposite side of beta. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So our c squared is 13 squared is equal to our a squared is 5. Then our side b was missing. So by using additive inverse, we get a squared minus 5 squared. So our b squared is equal to 169 minus 25. So 169 minus 25, 44. So, let's square both sides. So, our B is equal to 12. So, now we can identify what is our sine and cosine of alpha. So, the sine of alpha is 3/5. And then, our cosine of alpha is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 4/5. And then, in the sine beta is equal to 12/13. And then the cosine beta is equal to 5/13. So now, nakita na natin ang mga value ng ating right triangle. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is substitute natin kung anong mga value ang nandyan. So, our cosine alpha minus beta. So, this is our given. So, ang formula na is cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So, let's substitute now. So, cosine alpha is 4/5. And then, our cosine beta, which is 5/13. Minus. Minus pala ito, so become positive. So, our sine alpha is equal to 3/5. And then, our sine beta, which is 12/13. And then, let's simplify. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 5 times 13 is equal to 65. Plus 3 times 12 is equal to 36 over 5 times 13 is equal to 65. Then, combine itong denominator. So, 20 plus 36 is equal to 56/65. So, nakita na nato ang cosine. So, let's find now the sine. So, sine alpha plus beta. So, it become sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. So, let's substitute now. Sine alpha is equal to 3/5. Then our cosine beta is equal to 5/13 plus cosine alpha, which is 4/5, and then our sine beta is equal to 12/13. So, let's simplify. 5 times 3 is equal to 15/65 plus 4 times 12 is equal to 48/65. So, 15 plus 48 is equal to 63/65. So, nakuha na nato ang atohang cosine and sine. So, thank you for watching and hope you learned something. That's all. God bless.